In the line, Noah's Pride joined in by Henry's Buddy. Now, My Foolish Notion. Noah's Honor. Beau Black. El Principado. Josh Reddy in the blue colors. One more. Juste Un Cheval to the outside. Juste Un Cheval to take the outside. They're in the gate. And they're off. Good start at the rail for Noah's Pride in the center. Il Principado Centaur. These two race on ahead of Noah's Honor, who's away racing in third. Angling to the clear went Beau Black on the far outside. Juste Un Cheval. Trying to race between horses is Josh Reddy with Road Mischief and Rafa Junior. Rafa Junior's in traffic between. At the back early, My Foolish Notion and Road Mischief. Up front early, Noah's Pride. Noah's Pride and David Boraco throttle clear to lead by two. Il Principado is second. On the outside, Beau Black is now third. From between horses, Rafa Junior. At the rail goes Noah's Honor, a length and a half in front of Juste Un Cheval. Then Henry's Buddy. Trying to wind it up from the back, Josh Reddy and My Foolish Notion. And they're on their way home. Il Principado making a bold bid on the outside under Edgar Perez. Up to shove a neck in front. Fighting hard on the inside is Noah's Pride. Two back to Rafa Junior and Noah's Honor. Final 16th of a mile. Il Principado tries to put him away. Late run from Rafa Junior. Rafa Junior trying to gun down this long shot at the rail. Noah's Pride battles back. Photo! That's a wicked head bob. It's Noah's Pride battling back inside of Il Principado. Il Principado trying to hold firm. Rafa Junior surged in race 3. Photo finish. With the head bob of a lifetime, number 1, Noah's Pride was first. Number 7, Il Principado was second. Number 6, Rafa Junior third. Number 3, Noah's Honor fourth. Number 2, My Foolish Notion fifth. It's official. Number 1, Noah's Pride, was the winner. Son of Nixco out of Sweet Chantal by Snow Ridge, owned by Angel Maestre, trained by Juan Arias. The winning rider, David Boraco. Noah's Pride, 8-1 winner. 7-0 Principado was second. 6, Rafa Junior finished third. 3, Noah's Honor was fourth. Fourth race is up next on the Tapeta track at 1.70 yards. Scratch number 7, Noche de Damas. It's a field of 6. Win, play, show, exacta, trifecta, superfecta, daily double, and pick 3 wagering to go along with an early pick 4 offering. Pick 4, second pick 4 of the day, starts next with race 4. The exacta 501.60, trifecta 755.30, superfecta $1,374 and 2 cents. That's $13,000 for a dollar super. Daily double 64.40. The pick 3 144.70. Final time for the 5 furlongs, 58 and 11 100 seconds.